Welcome to another science lesson. Today's class will be focusing on characteristics of living things. Why are characteristics of living things so important? This is your answer. Characteristics of living things are very important. Why? Because they let you know that plants and animals are alive. Now for today, we're going to look at each characteristics individually. The first one we have is feeding. Now food is very important, a very important source for all living things. There is a difference between how plants and animals gain their food. When it comes on to animals, they consume their food, they eat their food, they chew their food. When it comes on to plants, they obtain their food from the soil. Next we have excretion. Now excretion is the producing of waste products from the body. So for example, like urine and feces, those are two examples of waste products that are removed from the body. As you can see, the frog on the toilet, that's a representation of what excretion is all about. Then we have breeding. Now breeding is very important. In order for plants and animals to breed, what do they need? They need air. So for example, air like oxygen, that's an example of a kind of air that living things need, and we know that oxygen is a form of gas, very important. Now we're looking at growth, and as you can see, growth is an increase in size from small to large. Now we start off as a baby, and then as time goes by, we increase in size, and growth goes for both plants and animals. Movement. Animals are always moving. We move continuously in search of food and a new habitat. So we are always moving. Now, when it comes on to plants they move by curving and bending. So both plants and animals, they both move, but they move differently. Reproduction. Now reproduction is the producing of a new offspring or generation. This is why the world has so many people, because of that one specific living thing characteristic, which is called reproduction. It's very important, and it's a characteristic, right, that happens every single day. Now we have irritability. This is the way in which living things react to their environment. We have come to the end of another science lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time.